Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect fleece jacket to help you with cooler weather, you need to check this one out from OFEEFAN. This jacket is warm and cozy and very well made. I opted for the size medium and it fits just slightly big enough on me so that I could layer underneath. The zipper on this jacket is such a well-made, heavy-duty, sturdy zipper. It zips up with no problem and it has thumb holes at the sleeves so that you can really feel extra cozy. The jacket zips up right up until the base of my neck and it really provides a lot of warmth. This jacket is perfect whether it's a cooler day outside or if I need some extra layering inside. I love that it has pockets and it's super soft and cozy to wear. I also really like it because even after washing it, the jacket perfectly maintained its structure and the sizing did not change at all. So it just makes for a really nice, easy to wear jacket. I love this jacket so much. I would love to get it in more colors and I'm really excited at how well that it fits and how warm and cozy that I feel. But that's just my point of view.